Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Capital One statements for small business accounting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Capital One statements for small business accounting, begin by logging into your Capital One account. Navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Select the business account for which you need the statements. Look for the Statements and Documents option. Click on this option to access your statements. You will see a list of available statements for various periods. Choose the statement you want to backup by clicking on the corresponding date. Once selected, there should be an option to download the statement. Click the download link, which may be in PDF format. The file will be saved to your computer's default download location. Open your Downloads folder to locate the downloaded statement. Next, create a dedicated folder on your computer for your business documents. Rename the folder to something like Capital One Statements for easy identification. Move the downloaded statement into this new folder. To ensure your files are safe, consider backing up this folder to a cloud storage service. Log into your preferred cloud service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload the entire folder to your cloud storage account for added security. Regularly repeat these steps to keep your statements updated. This method will help you maintain organized records for your small business accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.